The world really is coming to an end.
In 6 months, at least
half the planet's population
will die. A mass of carbon
and silicates
measuring 6.5
kilometers wide,
traveling 30 miles per second
will crash into our planet.
There will be no last-minute reprieve.
No miracle of science that stops it.
No space mission to blow it
out of the sky.
It isn't fantasy. It's not a movie.
It's inevitable.
6 months.
2 weeks.
4 days.
Boom. So now the world is asking,
what will you do? Leave your job?
Your family?
Your wife?
Your husband? Steal?
Scream. Weep.
live,
laugh,
pray, love,
die.
Nothing. I mean, what's the point? What's the point now?
What will you do?
What will you do?
you go to work.